Thank you. Great being in Berlin. So today I'd like to talk to you about some of the work we're doing in our lab. And I'm very interested in what motivates us as human beings. How do we make decisions? And the focus of my talk is decision making. So basically decision making, it's very in the simple form. You weigh costs against benefits. Okay, so benefits could be anything you want to do, you'd like to do. It could be getting your favorite food. It could be earning money. Or it could be having a nice day in the beach or in the park in this beautiful weekend we had. And costs are the things you have to invest in order to get those things. So that could be spending time, spending money, or working effort for it. And effort-based decision-making is the focus of my research. So what is effort-based decision-making? Let's see an example. So I have a very good Berliner friend. And she likes beer very much, but only two kinds. The Stirny and the Kindle. Okay, but she likes them just the same. She likes them exactly the same. And now she's on her way to the Science Slam, and she's looking for a Späti to get her beer. And she knows there's one Späti that's 5-minute walk away, but they only sell Stirny. Okay? And there's another Späti that's 15-minute walk away, and they only sell Kindle. So what will she do? What do you think? She likes the same, okay? So if you thought she'll just walk for the nearest one because she just likes them the same, you would agree with Clark Huell, which already in the 40s came up with the law of least effort, basically observing that humans and animals in general prefer to not put up a lot of effort if they don't have to. We're pretty lazy, so we try to avoid it. But let's say, okay, so in that case, she'll probably go for the nearest one. But let's say for some reason she had to go all the way for the further one and got the 15-minute walk away that had the Kindle. So what then? So Leon Festinger in the 50s came up with the cognitive dissonance theory, which basically means that if you had to work a lot, to put in a lot of effort, but you only got a little bit reward, then you have two choices. You could either say, okay, I had a lot of work and it's not worth it. Or you could say, it was worth it. It was so worth it that I did all this work. So let's say you had 2 hours ride and you have to pay 10 euros for only one donut. You say, okay, what a waste. Why did I do it? Or you could say, this is the best donut I ever had. So in that case, actually putting in the effort, although she didn't initially want to, could make her prefer the Kindle even more. So I'd like to show you a little demonstration of the kind of work we do in our lab. And for this, I will show you this device. Just a second here. Okay. This device is called dynamometer. And what it does, it measures very accurately the amount of force you're putting in on your hand grip. So do you recognize this guy? It's from the movie Inside Out, and it's called anger. And this is a small demonstration I programmed just to show you. But with squeezing the hand grip, you actually need to make him explode from anger. Who wants to give it a try? All right, let's go. Make him explode. Explode, explode, explode. All right, well done, well done. Okay, who thinks it's really strong in this crowd? Come on, you can do it. Take this one. Make him explode. All right. Oh, you are strong. A lot of beer this evening. Okay, but what you did notice, there was a difference. The first one was a bit easier, and the second one was really, really hard. So with this and the computer, we can manipulate how much effort you have to put in. And this is an example of our experiments. And what we do in the lab, we work with snack items. So this is, I brought to you some Israeli snacks to try. We work with snack items because everyone knows them, and people usually have strong preferences towards them. And so first, participants come to the lab, and we ask them, how much are you willing to pay for this Pesach Zman? And then, afterwards, we train them with effort. So what you have to do, if you want to win the Pesach Zman, you have to squeeze the dynamometer all the way up to the red bar to win it. Who wants to go? Yeah, try first. Try first. I've got some more for you. All right, you won it. There you go. Second one. We'll do it quickly. This one is, you know it, our cow is just red. It's boring. This is milk chocolate. Okay, this is a click. It's a really good one. It's one of my favorites. Who wants to try? You can do it. Yeah. Squeeze, squeeze, click, click, click. All right, you did it. Well done, well done. Two more. Two more. Who's going for the Bisley? Basically fried pasta. I don't know why they make it. But it is good, it is good. And last one, bamba. Bamba is the most known snack in the world, Israeli snack. Oh, come on, you can do it. Cheer, cheer. Go, 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 go. Two hands, go, go, go. Go, bamba, bamba is hard, bamba is hard. You like the bamba? You can make it. Oh, go, 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 go. Help her, two hands, two hands. I made it so hard, sorry. Help her do it. You win it anyway. It's my fault, I did it way too hard. All right, so that was fun. But now comes the science. So what happens? Just to go back. So afterwards, we again ask the participants. We ask the participants, how much are you willing to pay after you learn the effort? And what we see is for the participants in snacks that were initially the same value, after putting in the effort, people were willing to pay more for the items that they had to work harder for. So that is one interesting thing. But we are also interested in how this works in the brain. So we're using this advanced technology of MRI, or I think in German it's MRT. And you can also, you can do it anatomically, but you can also do it functionally. Basically, it's a very strong magnet that you lie inside, and you can image the processes in the brain in a living and participating human being. All right, so here we can see some first results we have of this experiment. And what we're looking here are areas in the brain that were more activated when the participants chose the hard items over the easy ones for the same value category. Okay, this was very short, so I'd like to thank Science Slam for bringing you here. It was lots of fun, and thank you. You're a great crowd, and my lab for supporting and making this all possible. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nadav.